What a great day to be alive, and there are so many opportunities in the crypto world. And in today's topic, we are going to be talking about Zilliqa. We are also going to be talking about a little bit of Chainlink plus XRP. Now, for those of you who have been part of my YouTube channel, right, you obviously heard me talk about Chainlink when it was slightly below $9. Well, the price is almost $15. I really hope that you guys enjoyed that particular trade setup. So a lot of you might be wondering, is it time to FOMO into Chainlink? Well, all I have to tell you is you have to wait for the dips. There's going to be opportunities and there's going to be scenarios where the price of Chainlink is obviously going to come back down. So you don't really have to necessarily, jump all in right now, because it might be a little bit risky. These things are very risky. Okay. But if you are going to be investing for the next 2 to 3 years, right, then obviously it doesn't really matter. You can always dollar cost average, but I always caution people to always take the reserved move. That is just being extremely careful. And if you are going to be trading, right, you have to utilize a stop loss. Anyhow, I'm super excited about Chainlink. The gift that keeps on giving. Decentralized finance is here to rule the cryptocurrency market, and a lot of you have been speculating with regards to what the next Chainlinks are going to be, because there are rumors of the next big decentralized finance. Well, why not just invest in the leader? I mean, if we take a look at the market cap of Chainlink, right, it's only 4.9 billion US dollars. I mean, if we take a look at the decentralized finance world, right, we are obviously entering a new territory, and who knows where this space might end up going. If we take a look at the market cap of Ethereum and BTC, right, obviously in comparison to Chainlink, there's quite a lot of room to grow. Moreover, Chainlink has got like a very good team. I really love the team with regards to Chainlink. So anyhow, enough about Chainlink. However, I'm not even going to do the chart. I'm not even going to look at this, because this is, I don't know, I have no freaking idea. But the buying volume, oh man. So guys, I don't even have any words with regards to, Chainlink. Just get in on the dips. Okay, but obviously you have to, in order for you to get like a better price, try to get in when there is a consolidation. When there's a consolidation phase, you can always try to, get in wherever you fit in. However, it really seems it has started a new leg up. So we are obviously going to be producing higher highs and lower lows. And when that happens, you can always try to figure out, some basic areas of value where the price might potentially end up sort of coming to retest, and try to check out the resistance and the support, and then you might possibly enter there. So like, for example, right over here, right, it obviously came back to this particular area, which was the previous resistance. Previous resistance turns into support. So what's really going to happen in the future? You have to look at the exponential moving averages. I'm not really going to talk much about that, but that is some sweet trading, easy stuff that you guys can obviously get to do. So right now, just look out for the dips, the 4 hourly dips. Try to look at the 4 hourly in order for you to like determine whether you are having like some sort of bounce back, and the bulls might potentially continue propelling the price to the next level. You can always switch over to the sort of 1 hour in order for you to see whether the oscillators are coming to some sort of area where the consolidation or the downtrend is a little bit finished. But I would really advise people not to go super crazy, because a lot of you are going to start auctioning your daughters and your kids, your sons and daughters. You don't want to do that. Just be conservative, be reserved, keep a level-headed attitude towards these things, because hey, who knows, maybe the price of Chainlink tomorrow might crash by 90%. Who knows, this thing can get hacked. So you just have to be level-headed. Anyhow, let's move over to Zilliqa. Zilliqa is down by about 4%, which is very, very minute. It's very minimal in comparison to the gains that we are going to be having. So obviously the 24-hour volume is about 100 million US dollars. Ooh, Isn't that good, ladies and gentlemen? Isn't that good? So that really means that there's a lot of eyeballs on this particular cryptocurrency. And if we switch over to the chart, right, we are obviously looking at the Zilliqa Tether US pair on Binance. And for those people who were looking for some entry, right, this was obviously a very good entry. Us dropping down to about 23 cents was a good buying point, and hopefully we might end up continuing this upward momentum, because as you can see, right, every time we drop, there is more buying power, because the wicks are just revealing that there is some more people who are getting into this particular, you know, trend, and people are just buying up everything. And these corrections are happening very, very fast. I mean, like this particular correction here, that one there, and this one potentially is another correction, which is just going to end up sort of winding up towards the upside, and then it's just going to continue going to the upside. But if we take a look at the one the volume, right, the volume profile, it is beginning to pick up. And if we switch over to the 1 hour, the 1 hour is now turning into something which is bullish. Look at that good buying power which is coming through. However, today is a Sunday. Okay, today is the 10th of August 2020, and usually Sundays and Mondays are pretty slow days in the week, and Saturday is also a slow day, because a lot of you know, institutional money or money that really matters, these guys are resting. Okay, they are spending their time at home, and usually they come back on Tuesday. So on Tuesday onwards up to Friday or Thursday, that's when we're going to see some much more power. However, I am pretty impressed, because I was expecting like you know, a significant correction as far as Zilliqa is concerned, but it really seems we are holding on very good. So anyway, let's just look forward to tomorrow and see what is going to happen. However, I really genuinely believe that we are going to end up crushing this particular resistance right over here, which was about 3 cents. So obviously today is a Sunday, and this is one of the reasons why we couldn't continue our upward trajectory, because a lot of people are resting. However, Tuesday going onwards, we are going to see this particular resistance get crashed, and when that happens, there's just going to be higher highs, just like what happened to Link when Link broke its resistance, right? So let's move over to the daily. When Link crashed this resistance, right, people just began FOMOing in, and it is now starting a new uptrend, and it's just going to be producing, or rather creating, higher highs and lower lows. So I really expect the same to happen for Zilliqa, and that is like a better opportunity in comparison to Chainlink or XRP. Oh, by the way, let's also talk about XRP. So I really hope that you guys understand Zilliqa is still going to continue having its upward momentum, and you know, these gains are minute. They are literally nothing. Okay, so we're going to just continue propelling to the upside, and yeah, that's that. So now let's look at XRP. XRP is one of those cryptocurrencies which is pretty slow. You know, the reason why XRP just takes way too long is there was an even distribution of the XRP coins, because at one particular point, right, institutional money were able to buy and accumulate a larger portion of the XRP circulating supply. And what happened at the peak of last bull run, right, these guys ended up dumping a lot of XRP on the market. Therefore, it was equally, or rather fairly distributed. So right now there's a lot of people who have been holding bags, and this money is obviously kind of fairly distributed, and this is a very good thing. However, due to the fact that XRP has got like a large circulation, so it just takes a little bit longer for things to start boiling and just start working and happening. However, there's redemption by the end of the tunnel. And if we take a look at XRP right now, right, we are obviously experiencing this little bit of a correction, which is just, it's just gearing to continue going up high. And obviously here we experienced this particular area right over here, we experienced an area that really sort of gave us an understanding that the bulls are obviously starting to take over, and we are seeing a new influx of new buyers, if I can put it that way. So this is one of the reasons why we obviously ended up propelling to that particular upside, and we almost reached close to this previous high before the coronavirus crash right over here. And we are obviously going to end up sort of breaking this resistance right over here. So looking at the grand scheme of things, right, so let me switch over to the weekly so that you can see the potential of XRP, because we are like literally sort of kinda hanging on to this particular resistance. This is like monthly resistance as far as XRP is concerned, and trust me, there's a lot of people who were trapped under this or rather above this threshold. So this is one of the reasons why we keep on pumping our heads, and we're just trying to break that resistance. However, if we take a look at the volume profile, obviously last week was so substantial. Look at this volume profile right over here, and this is a huge difference. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why XRP in the next I don't know, like month is going to be extremely explosive. Okay, XRP is going to do tremendously well. And if we take a look at the previous all-time high of XRP, right, that was like $3. If you take a look at the current price of XRP, it's almost 30 cents. Okay, so $3.30, you do the math. I'm pretty happy about that, if you would ask me. So anyhow, be patient, be extremely patient. I was looking at the open interest as far as XRP is concerned. I know a lot of you don't really care about open interest, but for me, as a semi-professional trader, right, getting to see the open interest of these things, it really matters. It really matters. So should I look at open interest with you? Or nah, I'm not. You can do that on your own. Look at the open interest as far as XRP is concerned. You are going to find that people are now beginning to take long positions, and we want to be part of that trend. We want to be part of those people. So I'm just giving you a heads up, and right now XRP is gearing to do something extraordinary, and it's really going to be spectacular for a lot of people. So yeah, just observe this particular price, get in where you fit in. You have to do your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy, talking about what I'm doing, and it's up to you whether to take it or not, and you have to make your own financial decisions, because by the end of it all, I do not want you to blame me. I'm just pointing you in the right direction, saying, okay, if you want to look at something that's obviously going to make you some money, you might as well take a look at XRP, you might as well take a look at Zilliqa, you might as well look at Chainlink, and I'm just giving you a little bit of guidelines, if you know what I mean. So anyhow, as we're talking, XRP is beginning to pump, is beginning to sort of gain that momentum. And look at this. Oh my god, you guys are so freaking lucky. Right on time, right on time. This particular resistance here is going to be broken, ladies and gentlemen. It's like literally nothing. It's literally nothing. I mean, if you take a look at the 1 hour bars, the volume bars, they haven't even started doing anything. I mean, we haven't even seen like one huge, volume bar right over there. So this is one of the reasons why you have to study the triple screen entry system. So if you guys need some help, you can always inbox me, and I'll let you know exactly about what I'm talking about. Research open interest as far as Bitcoin is concerned, XRP, EOS, plus a few altcoins that are on BitMEX. That's really going to help you make a lot of money and have like a better understanding of what's really happening in the cryptocurrency market. And you are also supposed to learn the triple screen trading system. Triple screen trading system. You're welcome. You are so welcome. You are so going to be rich in the next coming 1 to 2 years. So anyhow, that's all I had for you. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Just a reminder, tomorrow is a Monday, so tomorrow we might continue potentially seeing a little bit of red in the cryptocurrency market, but a whole lot of action is going to happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So please be very careful. Remember to always use and utilize a stop loss. Trailing stop losses, take profit. You already know those amazing features that really help traders, prevent traders from losing money. So anyhow, I think that's all I have for you for today. So take a look at XRP, take a look at Zilliqa, take a look at Chainlink. With regards to Chainlink, be very careful. Be very careful. Just slide in. Be easy. Don't go all in because Chainlink is pretty overvalued, looking at the current market condition. But of course, if you are going to be investing for the next 1 to 5 years, it doesn't really matter. But we are supposed to reduce our risk. That's our duty as traders. So anyhow, it's been your boy Muna. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop me a comment in the comment section below. You guys need to help me get some likes, because the more likes that I have on my video, the more I'm going to be encouraged to give you valuable information. So it's more like a pendulum. I depend on you, and you're also going to get some value from me. So it's been good seeing your lovely faces, by the way. Yep, this is how I look. Yep, this is the man behind the golden 10x voice. Now I'm really feeling myself too much. Anyhow, talk to you a little bit later. Bye.